Frontline workers are among those who are eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine booster shot here in Oregon. The Western States Safety Review Board gave the green light on Friday.
And our Fox 12's Bridget Chavez joins us live tonight after catching up with one healthcare worker who did receive her booster shot. Bridget, now the resident that you spoke with was among some of the first really in Oregon here to get vaccinated.
Yes, Adinaya Sales received her first shot of the COVID-19 vaccine back in December of 2020, and that was when we first spoke with her. Now, 9 months later, for the third time, she's rolled her sleeve up again. 9 months ago, we spoke with Adinaya Sales, an internal medicine resident doctor at OHSU, after she rolled up her sleeve to get her first COVID-19 vaccine.
I think it's surreal. There's a lot of hope tied to this vaccine, and I'm really excited to get it and to get the second one and just to get this pandemic over with, essentially.
Monday, Sales received her third shot.
Just like any sort of needle going into the arm, it hurt a little bit, but I'm really happy to have gotten it.
So far, she tells me she just has a sore arm.
I might get a fever and I might get some chills. I might feel some flu-like symptoms, but I'm happy to have those symptoms because that's my body creating the response to fight COVID should I encounter it.
Just like doses 1 and 2, Sales says getting this third dose isn't so much about me as it is about we.
If I were to have gotten COVID and then had to have called in sick, that would put a huge strain on my coworkers because we were already having issues with staffing. And so I'm just happy that I'm less likely to get COVID, now that I have the booster.
Sales hopes she and others who are eligible for this third shot can be looked to as an example for those who may still be on the fence about getting vaccinated.
And a lot of it comes down to people watch those around them and make decisions based off of that. And so I hope that, I do hope that maybe seeing people get a third shot and not developing crazy things from the vaccine, and hopefully that'll convince them.
She's been treating and caring for COVID-19 patients throughout the pandemic.
But at the end of the day, when you're face to face with someone who's unvaccinated, really sick from COVID, it is just really hard and difficult to see. And as a healthcare worker, we went into this to help people, to have people live longer, healthier lives. And having to see, patients in their 20s who are previously healthy, sick, dying in the ICU from COVID, it does something to you.
And these boosters are now available at local pharmacies and at OHSU's outpatient pharmacies as well. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.